So, yes, hello mga boss. So, today, tuturo ko sa iyo kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng ads na yung basic na copy-paste lang, boss. So, ito, binigay sa akin ng boss ko ngayon. Pero, ito yung pinaka simple lang na task. And, I know some of you guys naghahanap lang ng mga simpleng work. So, ito yung example. So, basically, ang gusto ng client ko is nagawa ko ng 10 different ads na ito yung product nila. So, ito yung na-provide na nila. So, nagawa ko na 1 to 5. So, ang gawin ko ngayon is 6 to 10. So, ito yung wait, so, ito yung product na naka-steady na. So, example, ito yung ad number 5, yung Black OTS Smoke Blouse. Ito yung product ng boss natin. And ito yung headline. As you can see here, guys, may nakalagay na dyan na headline, copy, tsaka link, tsaka yung photo. So, ang gawin na natin is basic na talaga na copy-paste lang talaga. So, since I'll be making the ad number 6, so, ang gawin ko is lagyan ko na lang dito ng number 6. Boom. And then, bababa tayo. So, next is, saan ba yun? Okay, so 6, since ad number 6 na tayo, ito yung gawin natin. So, ito yung next product na blouse. So, there are two things na pwede kong gawin dito is, pwede ko siyang i-screenshot. Kasi hindi ko naman to pwede ma-copy-paste yung photo niya. So, pwede ko siya i-screenshot tapos ilagay ko. And the other thing is, pwede ko siyang tingnan dito sa image kung naka-upload na siya sa mga previous na advertisers. Kasi, hindi lang ako ang assistant dito, guys. Marami sila. So, ito yung, marami kami na freelancers dito. So, ito yung sample. So, ang gawin ko is hanapin ko na lang yung design na kagaya nung design. If nandun ba siya or wala pa. Is this the one? Hindi. Wait lang. I'm still looking kung na-upload na. So, sa case na to, I think this image, ito pala. Yeah. This is the one. So, I'm just gonna click that one and click on continue. Kung wala pa naman, kung wala ka pa pictures, you can just simply take a screenshot and then upload mo yung picture. So in this case, may nakalagay na picture. So I'm just gonna click that one and click on continue. Then wait for it to load. And ito yung copy natin, guys, yung primary text. So of course, nakalagay na din dito. So ang gawin natin is copy paste lang natin dyan ang copy nila. Yung nasa baba. Boom. Then copy, then move on to back here, boom, yun, and then yung headline, I think the same lang yung headline na lahat, but I'm just still gonna copy that one para safe, boom. Alright, next is yung link. This is very important dun sa client ko kasi nga multiple yung product line nila, so I'm just gonna copy this one again and put this one here, copy and paste, and there you have it, guys. So very basic lang. I'm just gonna finish this until ad number 10. So this is an example of mga copy paste lang na mga work dito sa Facebook ads. So yun, and yeah, thank you for watching this video and see you sa mga next videos natin. God bless everybody.